Hey everyone, today we're going to look at some great value offerings from Byrd knives that you can snag from KnifeCenter.com. Byrd Knives is a value brand from the powerhouse knife manufacturer Spyderco. They're produced in China with very high production standards, meaning you can get awesome Spyderco designed knives without having to drain your pockets. Like their Spyderco brethren, these knives have been subjected to the company's philosophy of constant quality improvement, meaning these Gen 2 knives are better than ever, with new blade shapes and phosphor bronze washers for better action. All these new knives feature flat ground blades, offering respectable performance with 8CR13 MOV steel. Jimping on the spine and finger choil enables precise cutting, while FRN handles and skeletonized stainless liners keep weight under control. Throw in a secure lockback and a 4-position pocket clip and you've got knives well suited for everyday carry on a budget. The largest of this new wave is the Cara Cara 2. With a 3 3/4 inch blade, it packs a lot of sharpness into a very easy to carry frame. Slicing efficiency is great thanks to the full flat grind, and it opens easily due to the signature comet-shaped opening hole. Next up is the Meadowlark 2. Not too big, not too small, this knife is sized just right with nearly 3 inches of blade. With striking similarities to Spyderco's Delica, we think this knife hits the sweet spot for EDC. Agile enough for small work, but with enough blade to get tough jobs done. Finally, we have the Robin 2, the smallest of this bunch. Despite less than 2 inches of sharpened edge, this small knife still offers plenty of grip thanks to the integrated finger choil. A great option to throw in your bag or utility drawer, this knife will be ready to go at a moment's notice for emergency or everyday situations. All of these Byrd knives are a great option for many reasons, offering up real Spyderco design without the Spyderco price tag. They're affordable enough that it isn't the end of the world if you lose one, and you won't mind subjecting them to abuse that you wouldn't want your more expensive knives to take on. They even make great gifts that might just turn someone new into a knife fanatic. To get your hands on any of these high-value Byrd knives, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.